Hi, so in this video I'm going to discuss yesterday's biweekly contest first problem. That easy one. Find the XOR of numbers which appear twice. Okay. So what is the problem statement? That you are given an array nums where each number in the array appears either once or twice. Okay. Return the bitwise XOR of all the numbers that appears twice in the array, or 0 if no number appears twice. Okay. So like in this example, like elements are 1, 2, 1, 3. So what are those numbers which are appears twice? First is 1. This is appears twice. 2 is appears only once. 3 also appears only once. So only one number appears twice. That is 1. That's why XOR value is 1. Okay. Suppose there is another array where is given that 1, 1, 2, 2. Then suppose 3. So 1 is present two times. 2 is also present 2 times. 3 also present 1 times. Okay. So what are those number present twice? 1 and 2. So answer will be 1 XOR 2. This will be actually 3. Got it? So in this case, answer will be 3. So first of all, I have to count the number of times each element is present in the array. Then again, I will I will take the XOR of that number if the number of present is twice. So let's see the code. It will be more easy then. Like I have taken another map where actually I am storing the count of each element it's present in the array. So every time whenever I see the element against the value, I am incrementing the count of that number. Like here actually like this is actually like 1, 2, 1, 3. So first of all, I will increase 1 will be 1. Only one time I have seen only 1. Then it will be 2. First time seeing, so the count will be 1. Then I have seen again 1, so it will be incremented by 1, so it will be 2. And then I will come 3, that is not, I have not seen it before, so count will be 1. Got it? Then I will traverse this map. I will check what is the number of times it's present in the second value. Key will be the number and value will be the number of times it's present in the map. So I'm traversing the map and I am checking that if the second or the count value is 2, then I will take the current element in our answer XOR. So initially answer will be 0. I will take the XOR of the value. Like here will be answer 0 XOR 1. Okay, because I initially do 0 because this control is 0 actually. That's why I started to initialize with 0. So it XOR will be give 1. Got it? And at the end return answer. Got it? So what is the time to this? Big of n, we are traversing the each number here. So this is n, and also the loop is also running n times. Got it? Thank you.